Hello everyone. Happy New Year. Well, it's I don't know, it's been a while. Today's the 14th of January. And we've been making pretty steady progress on this despite the holidays and all the rest of the goings on. See, the place looks fairly organized. That's one of the things that's been happening. I bought one of those because that one ain't very good. It's Sears, but it's new Sears, not old Sears. So the jaw bites on one side and the other side, everything falls off kind of. It doesn't hold anything. Anyway, again, we've been making quite a bit of progress here. You notice the place got cleaned up. The bolt bin got moved in here finally from the original garage. All kinds of stuff. But anyway, on the car, the parking brake system got finished and all the hardware got removed, disassembled, painted, and right now it's all packed up, waiting for its final assembly. In the meantime, we've been working on the exhaust, and that is all fabricated and tacked in place, made hangers for it. So the next step on that is to remove all the pieces. You notice we flanged everything so we can take it apart in sections. Got the cross tube here that's tacked in. They get flanges at the mufflers, flanges behind the mufflers, and then it goes over the rear end in separate pieces. Runs out where it's going to have is more hangers here, where it's going to have straight out pencil tips on the ends. This is 2 1/4 inch pipe. So you see all the bends that we cut up. We got the mandrel bends and cut them all up to make the shapes we needed. These two hangers back here are manufactured hangers. Just the L bracket with the little blue bushings. The other ones we manufactured ourselves. I actually made a cross member. I don't know where's a good place to show you. Made a cross member in here that goes up over the top, in the drive shaft tunnel, and then back down the other side. We drilled and tapped some plates, welded them to the frame, and then made up a matching plate on the cross member, so the cross member is removable. You see we got the drive shaft in, and I'm not sure, I think it's a little bit, like a fraction of an inch too long. Right now it's got like a 1/2 inch of play from where it bottoms out up here in the tail shaft. I think they want like 3/4 to 1 1/4 inch. And this is a stock drive shaft that, according to what everybody says, is supposed to work. So I put it in there. We're going to see what it does when we put the weight of the car on the rear end. If anything, that should make it worse. But I want to see how much it changes with the weight of the car on it. These new springs, are pretty stiff. They don't move much. But anyway, you can see here's the hangers we made here in the middle. My son did a lot of this. We took a piece of square tubing, cut it off at an angle, left the top long, and plated the angle cut, welded it, finished it, ground it smooth, and then just, again, made the little hanger piece, bought the bushings, and it's welded on the top on both sides. You see this side, this pipe's a little closer to the frame, so that hanger's a bit shorter. We put the fuel line in and the brake line in to make sure there was going to be no conflict. And so the hangers are done. There's, like I said, you got the cross member hanger right behind the mufflers. There's the hangers. There's the hanger right there. Sorry. There's the hanger right there. And there's one, the same thing on the opposite side. So anyway, all that's done. So I think we're getting ready now to where, we got the shifter installed too. It made the hole in the floor Don't know if you can see it up here. There. Made the hole in the floor for the shifter. It's a nice, neat hole. So you can get up there now and play like you're driving. But we're getting ready now to where we can remove all of this stuff and start cleaning up the firewall, put the core support and the inner fender panels on, make sure we plug up any unnecessary holes in those pieces, and then they can get sent out for finishing. Right now this is all, the transmissions is the permanent one, the clutch is the permanent piece, but the motor is just for mock-up. It's a block we had laying around. I think it's a 327 block we had laying around, so it's just in here for mock-up, you know, for positioning motor mounts and all that other stuff, the rear transmission mount and everything. So anyway, that's where we're at. Again, making progress. Seems sometimes kind of slow, but all has to happen. There's the shifter up there inside the car. So anyway, that's it for now. Happy New Year, everyone. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.